this video, basically, I'm going to be figuring out what I did to my car exactly. I'm sure something's bent. I'm going to be changing a couple tires because I debeaded a tire. This is the tire that debeaded, so this front part was already off the rim, and just took the back part off. So, got to watch me change the tire. Voila. That, I'm gonna release these. Open back up. Yep. Alright, so that one is the new tire. This is the old tire. You can see how much stretch is on that. You can see how much stretch is on that. It's crazy. This right here I think is a, where's it at? This is a 245 right here. This one is a 215. But this is also a 40 sidewall, this is a 45 sidewall. So, that is ridiculous. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one, since you already saw me do this one. Then I'm gonna put the car in the lift and check out the rear end, because I'm pretty sure something is either broke or bent really bad. I'm hoping it's neither. I'm hoping it's just got knocked out of alignment, but I guess we'll see. All right, so good news is nothing's really bent and or broken. So just gotta take it to the alignment shop. I still have stock arms and stuff on here. So, I mean, everything looks the same. I did notice I'm leaking quite a bit from my axle seals. That's not a big deal. It's a trash welded diff anyways. But yeah, nothing looks bent or broke. So I'm just gonna take it to the alignment shop sometime next week, because we don't have an alignment rack, and hopefully figure it out. Until then, I'm gonna start ordering aftermarket suspension arms to make it a lot easier on myself. So I think that's gonna be the end of this short video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hopefully see you next time.